Hello, YouTube. This is Rita. And yes, you're tuned into right where you are. I've been doing the Green Smoothie Challenge. I'm at day number 9. And today, the smoothie for today is going to include spinach, apples, strawberries, and mangoes. And of course, I'm using a Ninja. I'm using the 1000 watt. And also, you're going to need flaxseed. What I did, I rinsed off my lettuce. I mean, my spinach, not lettuce, spinach. And then I split my apple, and you got to core the middle. I got to finish coring it. And these are the mangoes, and these are the strawberries. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to first combine our spinach. You're going to add 2 cups of water, and you're going to take that. You're going to liquefy your spinach, or blend it. And then after you get that blended, then you can add your apples, your mangoes, and your strawberries and apples. And then we'll have our strawberry, mango, apple, and spinach. And of course, we got to add that flaxseed. That flaxseed makes everything all right continually. And we want things to be, as we're getting healthy, we want things to be continually flowing so that we can get optimal health and remain clean, because the goal of it is to cleanse you, and flaxseed really helps with that process. So again, my friends, I hope this will encourage you. It's been a journey for me. I'm going to post a few more pictures of some of the things that I've done. Haven't posted in a while on YouTube, but I did want to share this. This is my day number 9, and I am down now 10 pounds. I was hoping for a little bit more, but I'm going to celebrate the 10. So tomorrow will be my last day of the 10-day smoothie cleanse. This is J.J. Harrison's 10-day smoothie cleanse. Okay, guys, have a great day.